Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Student, look. Today our topic is Chapter 10, CBQ 3, Lesson Nom 22, HW Nom 11. Okay, student. At first, read the questions. The length and the width of a rectangular table are 62.5 centimeter and 45.6 centimeter. This is the width and this is the length. Okay. This is the stem. Now see a number question. 2 meter 6 centimeter is equal to how many centimeter? B number. How many centimeter is the perimeter of the table? C number. Express the perimeter of the table in millimeter and meters. Student, you see, suppose this is the rectangular table. Okay, you consider this is called length and this is called width. Okay, this is called width. The formula of perimeter of the rectangular is 2 into length plus breadth, okay, or 2 into length plus width, okay, 2 into length plus breadth or width. Okay, student, this is the formula for perimeter of a table, for a rectangular table. 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth, and unit is meter or centimeter. Okay, not write square meter or square centimeter. Okay, unit is only meter or centimeter. Okay, not square meter, not square centimeter. Okay, student, in the previous class you know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter and look, 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, on the basis of this discussion, I will solve at first the A number. Look, A number, write 2 meter 6 centimeter. We have to convert this into centimeter. Student, look, M, that means meter. This is the short form of meter. Centimeter, this is the short form of centimeter. Now we have to convert meter to centimeter. We know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So write 2 into 100. This equal to what? Centimeter. And 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Okay. Write here as 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 200 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. Now adding 200 plus 6, that means 206 centimeter. Okay, and this is our answer. 206 centimeter. Now B number. How many centimeter is the perimeter of the table? Right. Given that the length of the rectangular table, the length of the rectangular table is 62.5 centimeter, and the width of the rectangular table is 45.6 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of the rectangular table, perimeter of the rectangular table equal to 2 into length plus width. Okay, student, width and breadth, they are the same meaning. Okay, remember, as there is written in the question width, so I have written width. If there is written breadth, then you write breadth. Okay, now put 2 into length. Length equal to 62.5 and width 45.6, and unit, write is unit here centimeter. Okay, now adding 62.5, 45.6, adding now 5 plus 2 7, 8, 6 plus 4 10. Okay, now write 2 into 108.1 and unit is centimeter. Now multiply with 2. Student, look, you multiply like this way: 2 ones are 2, 8 twos are 16, 2 ones are 2. Okay, that means 216.2 centimeter. Okay, student, therefore write perimeter of the table is 216.2 centimeter. Okay, now write the answer: 216.2 centimeter. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now see the question on C. Express the perimeter of the table in millimeters and meters. Student, short form of millimeter is mm and meter is m. Okay, all right, C number, right, from B we have got perimeter of the table is 216.2 centimeter. Okay, student, perimeter of the table is 216.2 centimeter. Now we have to convert this perimeter into millimeter and meter. Right, we know 10 centimeter, right? We know 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, we know 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 216.2 centimeter equal to 216.2 into 10 centimeter. This is equal to what? 216 2 for point right here 1 for 2 0 into 10 centimeter. Now 10 10 vanish, then we get 2162 centimeter. Sorry, this is right millimeter. Okay, millimeter, right, millimeter. Student, look, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Therefore 216.2 centimeter equal to more, that means multiplication. 216.2 into 10. Now for point right here 1, for 2 right here 0, 10 and 10 vanish, then we get 2162 millimeter. Okay, student, this is the 2162 millimeter. This is the conversion of 216.2 centimeter. Okay, now we have to convert again. The perimeter is into meter, right? Again we know Again we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, therefore 1 centimeter equal to less, that means 1 by 100 meter. Therefore 216.2 centimeter equal to 1 more. 216.2 centimeter is more than 1, so this will be numerator 216.2 into 1 by 100 meter. This is equal to 216.2 by 100. Student, look here. 216.2 by 100. Okay, you see how many zeros here? 2 zeros. You see here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So this point will be shifted after 2 digits from right to left. Okay, that means 2.162 meter. Okay, now write the answer 2162 millimeter and 2.162 meter. Okay, this is our required answer. Okay, student, I hope you understood today's topic. Now I would like to talk with you about HW topic. Student, look, I have solved this question and this is your HW. That means CW is the HW. Okay, student, this is your HW. Okay, that means which is done in the lecture. Okay, this is your HW. Okay, student. Okay, student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.